Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are we, guys? All right. The sound is working. Good. Very good. Let's get some pips. Let's get these pips. Yesterday we had 80 on US30. Let's see what US30 is doing today. All right, we're a little early today. We're in good shape. We had news this morning, right? Let me see what happened with the news. What's today? Today's the 4th. Okay, we had unemployment claims were less than they expected. They expected 219. They got 191. I don't think it's a big deal, but that's it for news for today. Tomorrow we got 3 red folders at 10 o'clock. So tomorrow's going to be big at 10 o'clock. Hopefully we'll be out of the market by then. Let's see what we got here today, though. We're in an upswing. You can tell by the 200. Look at the 200. Man, we were bullish. We're going to have to do a pullback, I believe. But right now, just looking at this, let me put the 1 minute. Like the 1 minute better. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Let me check gold. Gold's headed north. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. My allergies are killing me today. Rough morning for my allergies. All right. I don't really like gold. Not feeling it yet. Let's see if something develops. US30. Gotta break the structure here. Could buy US30 if it came to here. Let's see what it does here, guys. You know what? I'm going to buy it, guys. I'm in on US30. Let's see what happens here now. It's 50 pips. All right. Nice little trade for today. It'll be a nice little win. Let's see if we can get a push up here. How's everybody doing, man? Everybody all right? I like to make a quick decision. I want a little profit. Let's see what it does. Get over to kick, over to the comments. We're going to buy on US30. Guys, in case you were wondering. We'll see how it plays out. We're very bullish on US30. All right, let's see what we got. It may come down and sweep the low again. I don't know. Guys, I did add a new indicator. You see it right here. It's just something that we use. Just another idea for us, to let us know. That's the RSI. So instead of having an RSI scrolling across the bottom, when it's overbought or oversold, it shoots a line on the candle. So when it shoots a green line, it's telling you that you should start looking for buys, theoretically, So it's just something we use for, an extra proof of what we're trying to do. I wouldn't take a trade based on because this thing shot a green line. But I mean, right here you would have won. But just the way it is. But I was watching this for a couple of weeks and I like it. You see here, it gave us 2 here in a row, and then we had a big fall here. It wasn't exact, but pretty damn close. Our method was more exact. It came to our area and fell. So it's just another tool that I think can be helpful. So it's staying on my chart for the near future anyway. And we are in profit. Let's see if we can push through this. A point of interest there, just a supply zone just appeared. So we got to push through that. Then we got to push past the 200. Well, we blew right past that supply zone. And we're in profit, guys. Yes, sir. Rocking and rolling, as always. $9:05. We got plenty of time. 25 minutes still, or 24 minutes, 24 and a half minutes to New York Open. All right, let's see how it plays out. Let me see how we look here. We're looking good. Guys, I had to take my picture off the live stream because it's slowing down. You know, the stream gets choppy when I put my camera on it, you know, with my face on the screen. I'm breaking the internet with my beautiful face. So I'm just going to stay off for now. I have good internet here, so I don't really know what the problem is. It was working great for a long time. Then it started messing up. Then I put it back. It was working for a little while. Now it's starting to lag again when I put my picture up. So I'd rather just get the stream quality going good than have my face on there. But I don't mind putting my face on there, but it doesn't work as good. I'll try it again in a week or two and see if it improved. Gold is going up. Let me check gold. I'm in a gold buy, guys. Oh, yeah, look at that. What about NAS? Ooh, NAS too. Well, we're in US30 right now. We're in profit. Nothing to speak about, nothing to write home about or nothing. But there's a nice resistance here forming. You can see it. It's so obvious. Yeah, look, it's right here too. We broke through it. Let's see if we can close above it. Yep, we closed above it. I think we're good, guys. Now we got to get past this 200. We're on it right now. The kiss of death. Don't give me the kiss of death. Keep going, baby. Let me see how many pips this is. Trying to see where we can get out with a little profit and protect our capital. This is 35 pips to this zone. All right. I'm going to take 2/3 there. That'll be 22 pips in the bank, something like that. I'm going to take profit here, guys. I'm going to put a line there. Right at the base of this box. All right. I'm going to take profit there, guys. Once I do that, I'll set a stop loss right below this fair value gap, right tight to the bottom of that fair value gap, but just in profit. I'll put it now so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm not setting it now. I'm just putting the line right there. Okay, we got 20 minutes to New York Open, 19 minutes. We closed above the 200, which tells me that maybe we're going to go above. We did it over here too, though, so. You know, but it's a good sign when you close above it. Man, we're coming all the way back. Man. All right, we're good. We're good. Nah, it's shooting up. Come on, US30, follow it, man. Gold is shooting up too, guys. I'm in a gold buy from this morning. There we go. Come on, US30. Get your butt in gear. There we come. Oh, I gotta get rid of that alert. If I can find it. Now we're coming to our TP, guys. See if we can get our win for the day here, man. That's what we try to do here. Come in, get a quick win, start the day right here, man. Every day. That's how we do it. Okay, I'm ready to take profit, guys. Okay, I'm out. I took my profit. Here is the stop loss now. 47924.4. 47924.4 is the stop loss. It is in profit. So we are risk free now. Give me a W in the chat. I don't know. W. But not a day bleed until nightfall. All right, guys, let's see how far up we could push. If it doesn't stop us out before the open, we could go pretty high with this thing. Let's see what happens here, man. Let me get rid of this line. I'm not confused. Oh, let's see what that was. What's this guy want? What does this guy want? All right, don't stop me out now. We're right on the 200. We are literally sitting right on the 200 now. We have 12 minutes to New York Open. See if we can get a nice push up now. We already took profit. We got our stop loss in profit. So we are risk free. Let me see what NAS is doing. NAS is starting to drop. H bar is 14 cents. It was 13, a tenth of a penny below. So call it 14 cents. We'll round up on that one. Gold looks like it's ready to reverse here, man. I think we're just going to sweep and then drop. I'm going to close my gold trade. I got like 70 pips on that. Guys, the signal group is going to be opening. As soon as I get a few people in there. I never advertise it on. I just put it on the stream. We'll see what happens. I don't need a million people in there. But like 20 people would be nice. Be perfect. I could get a nice little group in there, you know? Well, I'm not going to do it unless we get a few people. I'm not just going to start doing it for 2 people. You know? It takes up my time. If nobody cares, then I won't do it. Very simple. Come on, US30. Let's go, baby. You check Kick. Shout out to Kick. All my people on Kick. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We're pulling back a little bit here. See if we can continue the momentum up. We're still right on the 200, though. We'll make the box a little bigger. You can see it better. We got our stop loss right here in profit. We took profit already. So we're risk free. We took profit. Let's go, baby. All we need is a nice push up now. I'll tell you, that 200 is like a magnet. It just keeps coming there, man. Strongest support and resistance on the chart, man. Hit that by accident. Sorry, guys. US30 looks like it wants to pull back. It's on this fair value gap now. If I was looking for a buy now, you could enter here. But we broke structure here, pull back to the fair value gap. Now we should go up. That's textbook entry right there. If it, no, let's see if it works. That's textbook. When I say textbook, I mean my textbook, the one I'm writing. I don't know about anybody else's. Well, let's close above the 200. We just did. Let's see what happens now. That's a good sign. We closed below and then we closed back above. So I think we're going to go up now. We got like, well, how much? 6 minutes to New York. Come on, US30. I got things to do, man. All right, we got 5 minutes, guys, to New York. Hey, we're retesting that fair value gap. Touched it again. Let's see if we push up again like last time. Again, we're knocking on the door. We keep hitting that door. It's going to fall. Come on, get up there now. Nice little support there right at that fair value gap. That's what usually happens. Again, oh, we broke through. All right, we're still in good shape. It didn't stop us out. It looks like it's fixing to stop us out here, guys. Hate to say it, but that's what it looks like. Oh, got me. All right, I'm out, guys. All right, so that's like, what was that, 30 pips? Something like that. We'll call it 25 pips. Maybe like 22, 4, whatever. 25 pips on that one. So 25. That puts us at 295 so far for the week on the stream. $295 pips. Look at that, guys. Do you believe that? There's the open. It just shot up. Look right to our TP. There we go. Beautiful. Too bad it stopped me out. I don't know if some of you guys might still be in this. I'm out, though. I would expect it to come up here and sweep this. All right, guys, I'm buying NAS. I'm in. Oh, damn it. I'm like right here. All right, let's see what happens with NAS now. Oh, that wasn't a good idea, huh? Let's see what happens, guys. If it comes out here, I'll buy again. The RSI is signaling for a buy. It could come down and sweep the pre-market low. That'll be I'll be entering right here again, guys, if it comes down here. All right, we're coming back to our entry. Okay, guys, if it rings that bell, I'm taking another entry. I'm in. I'm in right there. That's a late bell, huh? All right, I'm just going to hold now. That's a big candle, man, on a 1 minute. Look at that. How many pips is that candle, man? Approximately. A candle, 1 minute candle, and 56 pips. Approximately. All right, we're coming back to our entry here, guys. We're up, man. We're up. We got 30 pips on US30. Let me put that. What the hell? All right, now we're in profit. I got to get rid of this alarm. We don't need it anymore. I said, guys, I'm going to hold this trade till this one breaks even or goes a couple of pips in profit. You know the drill. That's about 70 pips. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. Let's see if we can get there. Here we come. Here she comes. Walking down the street. I'm up 35 pips already. Nice. I don't like the way we just closed that fair value gap, and then we got to push through that, man. We got to close above it. Still in profit. Man, there's nothing like the New York Open, right, guys? Come on, man. What's more fun than trading the New York Open? I can't think of nothing. All right, we're in profit. Headed back up. Let's see if we can flip this candle. That'd be nice. Nope. There's no news today at 10. Tomorrow we got 3 red folders at 10 o'clock. Let me keep an eye on this because I'm in profit there. So I got a better entry, guys. I'm looking at my chart now and yeah, I'm in profit right around there. So I'm going to move this up. It's actually a couple more pips when this does hit. Let's see what happens. It's hard when you just, taking an entry on the fly and it's moving fast, I pushed it as soon as the bell rang, but it just blew right past the alarm, So I got a couple extra pips on that. That happens. It's good. All right, here we go. Let's push up now. There we go. We gotta close above that fair value gap. We just punched above it, but we gotta close above it. Come on. There we go. Keep going, baby. And when we get here, guys, if this one goes into profit, I'm closing this one full. That'll be considered TP1. That'll be 75 pips, something like that. Let me double check. I got a more accurate assessment now. Yeah, with 78. We'll call it 75 pips. For the heck of it. So that's 75 pips, TP1. That'll put us over 100 pips for the day. You could close both there if you want. I'll see how it's moving. It's jumping around like there's a lot of volume. There's sell pressure. A lot of sell pressure. You gotta be careful here. What is this line? All right, we're in profit. Let's see what happens. I like this trade because we also swept the low. So we know we had liquidity there, right, which is the way I really like to trade NAS and US30. So we swept this low. I mean, we went a little further. That's all right. We got the RSI telling us that it's oversold. So signaling for a buy. Right where we swept the low. I mean, it's perfect. It's perfect, guys. So I know that all in all, that's worth nothing, but I think it's perfect. Come on, Naz, let's go. Came down for a retest. Now we're going to flip and we're going to shoot up. Let's go. Kick, hang tight, kick. We're about to make some money here, man. T hits good. Guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're still undecided here. We're right around our entry. We'll see what it does. I still think it's going up. Now we're pushing down, guys. I'm not going to take another entry yet. We'll see what it does. Go to 15. All right, guys, I'm going to get off, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to set an alarm here. All right. If it comes there, I'm taking another entry. I go back to the 1 minute. I don't think it's going to come there, but you never know. But I'm going to put a TP for this trade right there. When that one goes a couple of pips in profit, I'm going to set that now in case it gets there while I'm out walking around. My TP is 25640.7. 25640.7. Okay, that's set. And then this one I'm going to put right here. I'm going to reduce it because this will be 75 pips when this one closes. I don't know, man. Maybe let's just close both. All right, I'll close this one here. I'll put it a little bit below the top of these candles here. Right, so I'm going to put it 25676.2. 25676.2. And that will be approximately another 35 pips. So that'll be 105 pips. No, 110 pips altogether on this trade, plus 30 for the other trade. So that's 140 pips for the day once this hits. And it's going to hit, guys. Make no mistake. Make no mistake, guys. It is going to hit. And with that, guys, I'll see you guys later. I have to get about my day. It's 10 o'clock already. God bless you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers, guys. I'll update in the Facebook group. Okay, when we get these pips, I'll post it in the Facebook group. Thanks, guys. Cheers, man.